Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Immersive View in Google Maps. If you're using Google Maps and now you want to get Immersive View, so let's see how can do this. You can easily use this method on both iPhone or Android. Now you just have to open this Google Maps and here just look for the place for which you want to get Immersive View. You can see there are some tourist places for which Immersive View is available where you will get this icon, so it means this place have immersive view. So let's see, I'm going to select anyone from here. I'm going to select this one, just tap on it, and here's the coco. Okay, you must have to tap on this mini window, just tap on it, and you'll get that immersive view of your location. Once you have that, you can easily move it or pinch or zoom it by using your two fingers. Now you just have to tap on directions and here just choose start location, and you must have to select the location from which you want to choose. Let's see, I'm going to choose this one, just tap on OK from here, and now in this way you can easily get immersive view of any place for which you want. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.